Okay. Good morning, everyone. My name is Anup, and I'm the part of IIT Jodhpur. And today we are here to present you before you the machine learning project, which has been supervised by our beloved professor, Mr. Professor Sandeep Yadav. And my topic of this machine learning project is sentiment analysis, where we are providing the comprehensive analysis of all the sentiment trends on Twitter. And my group number is 22. My name is Anup Shah, and here are my colleagues who has also helped in completing this particular project. So I will go I'll without wasting time, I'll go with the flow that how we will be keeping this particular presentation short and simple. So I'll be flowing through this. I have prepared this particular ppt which will be helpful in understanding the things in quick way. So first I'll go with the introduction, then problem statement, data collections, then data loading, how we will proceed with the data loading and the pre-processing, because we have not directly used the data set and started modeling. We have done some cleansing activities over here, and then we have proceeded with the modeling or algorithm. So sentiment classification model, we have done the classification. We have the results and evaluation, and then I'll also go through the app that we have created for this particular project. Okay, now moving ahead. So what is the introduction? So as you know, today in this modern world of technology, we have a lot of reviews coming through on different platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all those public domains. And everyone can view these reviews, and the user used to put the reviews based on their experience with products, services, or anything. So it has become a really powerful tool to monitor and understand the conversations between of the and understand the behavior of the users. So to tailor this requirement, we have done this Twitter analysis based on the historical tweets. And the problem statement is it's nothing but just the sentiment study on the Twitter tweets, and we have categorized this into two sections, which is negative sentiment or positive sentiment. So we have also done with the variety of algorithms and tried to clean, like as I told, that we have not just collected the data and started using into the model. We have first cleansed it and then lemmatized it, and then we have tokenized it and categorized it accordingly. And based on that, we have provided the sentiment. So problem statement, data collection. So as you know, like we have created this project based on the Twitter data set. So we have considered the data set for 1.6 million tweets, and which has been divided into 0 and 4, which is negative and positive, and sentiment. Okay, so sentiment is always, as I told, like it is positive or negative. So we have got the ID of the tweets. What is the ID of the tweet? Which date this tweet has been tweeted? What is the flag? And how which user has done the tweet? And what is the text of the tweet? So here is the small snippet which I have provided over here to show that what how the raw data looks like. So this is just the two rows, but there are around 1,60,000 rows are there, and this is the source of the data which I have considered for the data set. Let me show you quickly that where I'm talking about this. So if you go here, so this is my sentiment analysis. This is the Twitter set where I have considered downloaded data. This is my GitHub repository where I have given all the data. What is my figures in the sense images of all those models that I have run. What are the models that we have finalized? What is the notebook and app which we have created and posted on Streamlit, so that it will be useful to analyze your review or analyze your entire review file. So we have provided two options. One is that single text input. So if you put anything like, for example, I was trying like I'm bad today, right? I'll just do this analysis. It is showing that okay, your sentiment trend is negative, right? Similarly, you can also upload a CSV file. So you can CSV, it's not only mandatory CSV, will change to other files as well, text or anything, right? So CSV file, if you drag and drop here, it will be analyzing the data, and it will show you the results. So these all things I have done in the backend, and and I captured this into the PowerPoint. So let's go with the PowerPoint. So as I told, the data has been collected for 1,60,000 tweets, where 0 and 4 are the negative and positive tweets. This is how it will look like. So as I told, like we have not directly consumed this data set. We have first done this as pre-processing, which involves the cleaning of the data set. So we have loaded the data, we have cleaned this using Python program, and you can see over here that we have cleared all the alphanumeric numbers and all. Any kind of URL pattern is there, we have cleared those things. Any kind of irrelevant characters that are there, so we have removed those to clean the data. Okay, and then we have tokenized it, and then limitized it based on that how many characters are there and all those stuff, right? So you can see over here, so as I show you the raw data where we have a lot of tweets is there, and here we are, after cleaning, how it will look like. So we have a, like, this is the raw text which is coming as a review from the user. We have tokenized it, and then we have cleaned the token and then lemmatized the text, and it will give you more cleaner version of the text of the reviews than it is earlier. Okay, and then after cleaning that, we have started doing the classification that, okay, what is the range of the the characters or the number of words that the people are using for showing their showing their reviews. Also, you can see over here, it is like mostly people are using from 25 to 75 words length sentence to show their reviews, or put their reviews on the platform. However, the number of word they are considering is below 25, so 25 word is enough for the reviews they are giving and for any products or services. I have also seen that it's the data should not be skewed. Our reviews are not should not be skewed. Like, if I'm saying positive and it is considering as negative, so we have considered this divided into 1,60,000 and tweets into very balanced way, so that it does not skew the data. It is showing like 50-50, as you see, 50-50 distribution is negative and positive. So we have trained the data set in such a way that it should not skew the data, it should give me the positive results, right? And obviously there is always room of improvement in training the data. Now, what is the approach that we have taken to train and test the data? So here we have looked into, run different models to see the accuracy of the data, that after training the data set, how much accurate is my result in predicting the sentiment of the particular review, right? So we have used naive bayes accuracy, logistic regression, random forest, XBoost accuracy, support vector machine, CNN, LSTM, right? After using that, you can see over here the model name, the inputs, and what is the accuracy. After looking in this, for example, you see naive bayes accuracy. So based on training and testing the result, the accuracy it's coming as 0.77, logistic regression is 0.78, random forest is 0 1 and 7136, and so on. It is decreasing, right? So best to the model or algorithm that we have came up with is the name based accuracy and the logistic regression. Logistic regression is the topmost for our based on accuracy for our machine learning. So you can see the code over here, which is I have also put into the GitHub. You can review this code, and you can see that how we have trained the data and then tested the data on the same, and then got the accuracy. So around 70 to 80% is my accuracy rate for all the reviews that we are getting. So there are chances of error which is 20%, that you are putting positive, and my model is showing you that this is a negative one, right? But yeah, 80% accuracy if we go with. So here we have tried to just build a python program which will show you the result in mm, mm, one view. So here you can see my logistic regression is topmost, and followed by name base, exposed, CNN, RF, LSTM, and random forest, LSTM, SVN. Right here we have my topmost is LRNNB. So based on this processing of the model, we have seen that logistic regression and naive based model is one of the topmost models, and hence we have applied the logistic regression model in all our further sentiment analysis of our reviews and all, right? So here we have just considered a small file which is called file CSV, and then we have given the text as not good, feeling bad, how are you. So it has, so you can see over here they are predicting based on the certain model, they are predicting this that whether this is positive or negative, right? Right, so here it is not good, it is saying, but here we are showing positive. As I told, like there's 20% that it's saying wrong, feeling bad, negative, how are you. It's a good thing that you are asking someone how I am sick, negative, they're sick, bad day, negative, right? So it's already providing this. Also, I have shown you gone through the sentiment analysis app, where we have created an app which can take a single text as an input, or you can upload a CSV file, and it will uh, provide you the result accordingly. And I'll show you that how it will look like. Okay, and this is the app link, so you can go through, and here you will open the app link, and you can try and test that how it is working. So sentiment, as I told, like it is capable of handling the both the single text as well as the entire file. So single text, I have tried using this particular sentence that since our immersion got cancelled, campus immersion got cancelled, so we are really going to miss it, so it is negative obviously. So you can see the sentiment prediction is negative. Similarly, if as I told that we are not going to use only the single text, it will be the entire file. Like you have thousands of review, it's very difficult to do it manually, read it, and then put it negative, positive, neutral, whatever it is, right? So here, this app will really help you in analyzing this entire file at one go. So you will just have to upload the file, and then after uploading, it will show at the front the result of this, that what is the text you have provided, how it has tokenized it, how it was limitized it, and what are the number of character that has been used in this review, how many words has been used in this review, and then followed by the sentiment. So this is the result, and this is the web page app where we have uploaded our review. So this is in this result format result you will get, right? So this is our app. So I think you have got the pretty much clear idea about that, which are my top models. So logistic regression and name based models are my top models, which are neither outfitted or overfitted or underfitted. So we can classify the tweets into positive and negative categories. Before the uploading the data, we have you pre-process the data, and then we have selected the model accordingly. Okay. The good thing with logistic regression name model is that they process the large amount of data in very less time. However, other data sets were taking hours to process the data. For example, CNN, SLSTM, they are taking too much time to do this. Our and the challenges, obviously challenges will always be there, because the challenges are sarcasm, detection, contest understanding still present opportunity for further enhancement. So there is always a room of improvement, as I told you. So 20%, 30 to 25% is the room of improvement in training the model. So yeah, so this is what I am going to I was about to show you on the sentiment analysis. So thank you for your time. Thank you very much. Have a great day, sir. Thank you.